my name is Arushi Mehra. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is all about the color combinations that always look classic. So the first one has to be black and white. Yes, the universal color combination. The combination that looks good on everybody out there. The combination that everybody loves and everybody has definitely tried. Black and white is the combination that complements each other so perfectly well that it always looks amazing. Whatever you wear, no matter whatever you wear, white top, black jeans, black dress, white accessories, white dress, black accessories, anything, just anything. Whatever you wear in black and white, it always looks amazing, always classy. So this combination is the universal combination that everybody loves, and the combination that complements, and the colors of this combination complements each other so well, because white is a bright color and black is not that bright, so they complement so well that it always looks perfect, always perfect. Black shrug, white top, anything, just anything. Black and white always go together, always hand in hand, and always amazing, always perfect. So let's move on to the next combination. The next one is navy and white are so perfect colors individually, and when we mix them, that is a whole different definition of perfect. So when these two colors are mixed, they look absolutely stunning, absolutely amazing. I have quite a few navy tops, and I mostly pair them with whites, either white shorts or white jeans or white skirts. So yes, this combination always looks amazing. Be it navy dress and white belt, white accessories, or white dress, navy accessories, always amazing. And you can definitely try. If you haven't, what are you doing? Just go try right now. And yes, so we'll move on to the next combination. So the next combination is navy and black. Navy and black is another amazing color combination. I personally love that combination. The dark colors, I love dark colors more than lights, so I pair them, and obviously amazing. I have this blue kurta, navy kurta, and I pair it with black jeggings, which absolutely looks amazing. So yes, I definitely love this combination. If I don't pair navy with white, I pair it with black. So yes, yeah. So the next combination that we'll go for is camel and black. So this is a myth which I have heard a lot, that camel and black don't go together, which is completely wrong, because they go well. Because they go together so really well. I mean, I have a leather jacket, a brown leather jacket, and I pair it with black sweater. It looks amazing. And I go for black heels with the jacket. So the combination looks amazing. You have brown overcoat, wear black underneath it, you look amazing. Wear a brown top, black lower, you look amazing. Obviously, this combination can never go wrong, and this is a true myth that camel and black don't go together. Wear brown and carry black accessories. Obviously, you look amazing. It is not always necessary to carry the accessories according to your outfit, right? You can go in combinations. It's not always like you're wearing brown, so you're it's not always like you're wearing brown, so you wear brown accessories or carry brown bag. No, go with combinations. I always go for combinations. Well, mostly I go for black bags, but I go for combinations with different colors: peach, pink, brown, all colors. You know, go for combinations and they look amazing. So stop not pairing brown with black, because they go amazingly together. Amazingly. Trust me, give it a try. Okay. So the next combination that we'll talk about is red and black. I personally love this combination, absolutely love this combination. Red is a very bright color and black is not that bright, so they complement each other really well. If you wear, I mostly wear a red dress and I carry black accessories with it, everything, earrings, bag, shoes, everything black, which looks absolutely amazing. You can definitely try it if you haven't. Wear black dress, carry red accessories, wear red dress, carry black accessories. You will look amazing. Trust me, you look amazing. This combination is on another level. You know, when you wear it, you slay it. Trust me. So the next combination that we'll go for is light blue and dark blue. Light blue and dark blue, like blue is a color that goes with almost every color, so it will definitely go with another hue of the same color, right? Light blue and dark blue. So when I wear a dark blue top, I go for blue bottoms also. You know, if not white and black, go for blue. You look amazing, definitely. Okay, I have this sweater, blue sweater, and I wear blue jeans with it. Obviously, blue jeans is universal and you can wear it with any color. So if it's a light blue jeans and a dark blue sweater, amazing, you look perfect. Or a light blue sweater and dark jeans, also amazing. So this combination is also another great color combination that you can always carry without any hesitation, and you will definitely feel confident about it, and you will definitely feel confident about yourself that you look amazing, because you definitely will, because all these color combinations are amazing and they look perfect always when you wear them. So the last combination is dark green and white. Okay, so I am not really a green person. I don't really adore green, but yes, I definitely have a green kurta and a few green tops. So I pair them with white, which looks amazing. Dark green is, you know, dark, and white is a bright color, so they complement each other. Again, they complement each other really well, which looks absolutely stunning, which looks absolutely amazing. Do give it a try if you haven't, and trust me, you will look amazing. And do let me know in the comment section below if any of this helped you in any way. And thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next one. Do hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And this is my Instagram handle, so please follow. Thank you. Bye.